Barreto, and today I am ready to take my shot. We are now at the gym, and I can't wait to try the exhilarating courses. Kayang-kaya natin to, so get ready to witness me Slay Tanduay Select's ultimate test of strength, agility, and power together with my best friend, MJ Cayabyab.
Yes! Hello, sis! What's up? Are you ready?
Super! Ikaw?
I'm not sure.
Actually, ako din, pero...
But for you, I'll be ready.
Yes.
Because I'm sure I'm gonna win today. Wow,
Yes,
feeling!
and sa totoo lang, ibibigay ko to kay MJ kasi this will be a real challenge for him.
Please take care of me.
Okay, but no, don't worry because we actually have experts who will join us today.
Perfect!
So for Team Julia, representing is Coach Tony.
Oh.
Woohoo!
I'm so
And
excited.
You are?
Yes.
Because you're gonna have your own coach for Team MJ, who is Coach MJ.
Oh, myself lang.
Hi.
Oh, hi MJ.
Yes, and of
Hi,
course,
Coach.
we also have our conditioning coach who will join us today, Coach Matt.
Yes! Let's go, Coach!
Woo!
Team Julia, Team MJ, get ready to take your shot at the one-shot obstacle course. The fastest team to complete the obstacle course wins the race.
You know what, normally, sa totoo lang, competitive ako pagdating sa games, sa mga races, etc. Alam ni MJ yan. But, you know, since first time mo to, baka ibigay ko to sa'yo. Okay? Para ma-enjoy, para
First time
ma-happy
blessing. Feeling ko amin na to.
ka. Okay, sige. But we'll see. Kasi baka I might change my mind later. Are you ready? Because I'm ready.
I'm so ready.
We're
Are you
ready.
We're all ready.
Let's go!
While walking,
Let's go.
and then go back.
Oh, nakakaba.
Prepare your body for
Stretching
the
is
obstacle.
important.
Okay, one more guys, one more. Stretch.
Kapagod na to ah.
Oo nga eh.
Hindi kaya ng powers ko.
That's it. Good job. You can do it.
This is my jam. Yung kaba ko is nanggagaling sa sana kaya ng katawan ko. Please bear with me.
Go, 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 go. Almost finished, guys. Last two.
Early workout.
Yes.
Need to bounce. Then top with your toe.
And we're done. Good job.
Nice, nice. Thank you, Coach.
We're so done for today. Maraming salamat
Kinakabahan
sa lahat.
ako. I don't know how my body's gonna react. Fighting.
Pwede ko bang itap ka tapos ikaw naman
Sana nga eh. You need to hop lang. Up. Yan. Hop.
Woo!
lalaban ako?
Kinakabahan, kinakabahan. Later na tayo para preserve natin yung energy. So at least we have a feel of what's going on. Actually, kanina, nakapag-try na kami just to make sure na medyo gamay na namin yung right movement and all.
Parang kinakabahan sila.
Kinakabahan sila, masyado sila nagsa-strategize. Dapat kasi sa mga ganitong bagay, guys, chill ka lang.
Tingin ko humble lang muna.
Humble.
Humble lang.
Kunyari, parang, well, sige, manalo ka na. Sige, ikaw na yung winner, tapos mamaya tayo panalo. Ganun. Okay, we're ready for the first round. Let's do it! Okay, we're gonna take it easy, guys.
Jump over. Let's go.
Aray!
Okay lang yan. Go, 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 go.
Oh my God. Parang hinihingal na siya. Oh, my hands. Ow. Ayun, galing niya. Go, sis!